In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for goal setting in a straightforward and beginner-friendly way. Stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a functional system to track your goals efficiently. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by creating a new page in Notion. If you're a seasoned user, you know this process well, but for newcomers, here's a quick refresher. To create a new page, go to your Notion sidebar and click on the plus button next to your workspace name. You can name this page something that resonates with its purpose, like Goals or Goal Tracker. This will serve as the central hub for your goals, allowing easy access and organization. Next, we'll add a table to this new page for a structured overview of your goals. Adding a table is as simple as typing "table" in the body of your page and selecting Table Inline from the drop-down menu. Consider your goals as items or tasks you want to accomplish and visualize each entry as a roadmap leading you toward success. Once your table is set up, you'll want to include specific columns that will help you manage your goals effectively. Begin by creating columns titled Category, Target Date, and Progress. The category column helps organize your goals into different areas of your life, be it personal, professional, or health-related ambitions. This categorization provides a clear picture of where your focus lies and ensures a balanced approach to goal setting. Moving over to the Target Date column, having a deadline can significantly boost your motivation and prevent procrastination. You can enter your target date by selecting the Date property for this column. Not only does this keep your objectives time-bound, but it also offers a sense of urgency, a crucial element for maintaining momentum. Finally, the Progress column captures how far you've come in achieving each goal. This could be expressed in percentage or a simple checklist status like Not Started, In Progress, or Completed. Monitoring your progress regularly keeps you accountable and provides an opportunity to celebrate small victories along the way. After setting up your table, it's essential to remember that this is not a set-it-and-forget-it situation. Reviewing and updating your goals regularly is crucial. Make it a habit to revisit this page weekly or even daily if needed. Check your progress, adjust your target dates if circumstances change, and refine your goals as you evolve. By integrating this goal-setting framework into your routine, you are setting yourself up for success with a clear, organized, and motivating system. Persistence and adaptability are key. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. I hope you find this Notion goal-setting guide helpful in your journey towards achieving your aspirations.